Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change country on my Instagram or on your Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's just head on and open up our Instagram app right here. And from your homepage or from any other page, let's go to our profile page. Clicking on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Let's click on edit profile. And what we're actually going to do first is to change our account into a business account. If you have not done that yet, you can follow these steps. So click on switch to professional account. Let's click on continue. Choose a category you like or as appropriate for your account, and just wait for this page to load. And then we will choose business right here because this the feature will not work on a creator account. So we're gonna choose business, click on next, and let's wait for it to load again. And from here you can then add your business address, and then this is how you can actually change your country. So I'm just gonna tap on the city and tap on that. I'm just gonna type in a random address and then click on done at the bottom part of the screen. Just click on next. I'm just gonna click on not now and click on X, and you can set it up later. Click on done. And as you can see, it is not shown yet. So what we're going to do is to click on edit profile right here. And then click on profile display over here under the public business information section. And I currently have my contact info hidden, so I'm just gonna click on this toggle button right here. And as you can see, it should now be shown. So just click on done at the top right corner. Click on done once again, and once I refresh it, as you can see, it is now showing on my profile. So that is how you can basically change country on your Instagram account. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.